Hey, this is Sharon. I just wanted to give you a quick peek at the finished Chameleon cell paint project with the WD40. I think it turned out pretty cool. Let's get a close-up here. This is what I wanted to show you before. It's not coming out with the best. The glare and everything. Sorry about that. I wanted to show you the cool cells, but unfortunately anyway, it's bringing out some really pretty colors, but it's not focusing very well. So anyway, but you can see in these right here, all these colors are popping up through where I put the WD40 with the magic bamboo rocket. Let's see, let's do this from the side. Maybe we can get better results. Anyway, you can kind of see that one cell down there. It's really pretty. So anyway, my son, oh, that looks like a fish right there and a body. That's cool. I'm gonna have to turn it the other way. I like it. I like this view. So anyway, my son apologizes for calling while I was doing my stream. Not my stream, my recording. And yeah, kind of interrupted my video. But anyway, here it is. Here's the finished version. I did just put a little bit right here and down here and over in this corner. And that was the only thing that was different from when the video cut off. Things have morphed quite a bit since I did it, but this is really kind of cool right here. I wish I had better focus for close-up, but anyway, that's it. I just wanted to let you see it. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Bye.